another restored system. This is the Roboro, Taylor and Joe's Ironmongers of Monmouth. I don't have a before video because, unfortunately, it's the customers and the courier damaged it. I had to rebuild the entire bottom of this. But don't ask me how, I have succeeded. Focus. If you look very closely you can sort of see the marks, but around there you can't. So yeah, I had to go the extra mile for this system, and you'll see what I mean inside. Let's give it a go. Go for system view now. Bit wear and tear on the top edge, but it's nice and ways here. Logo on the other side as well. Take a look inside the lid. It's also got 48 written on the inside. Manufactured by Thomas Green & Co. of Gosley. And inside we've got, we're wondering what this is. It's fiberglass. So fiberglass line the entire system. Although priming it was a bit trickier because it turns out to dry like I thought it would, but this is just purely cosmetic. And before I fiberglass lined it, I did prime inside of the system as well. But also fiberglass thing has also given a bit of, it's created a bit of a wall. So the whole siphon sits more snug, which is very good. Recognition compartment float valve, as it already came with. Reused plastic float ball. So yeah, let's give it a go. So yes, as you may imagine, I did condemn the system originally, but the customer actually wanted to keep this with the name on the front, so what I did was I took the bottom off a Morley system I had around the back, cut it to shape, and then stuck it on with JB Weld metal epoxy. And also fiberglass for protection, and like I say, this system is a full on 10 out of 10, full on pass. I'm just very, very happy with it. Yeah. Saved what I didn't think we saved. So yeah, that is the end of the video, and as always, thank you for watching.